and welcome to this week's LOLC Securities Weekly Market Roundup. I am Negara Vijaymanna.
And I am Tharangu Amarasekara. This is the sound of profitability. Good news for the travel and tourism sector of Sri Lanka. The world's leading travel magazine, Condé Nast Traveller, has recognized Sri Lanka as the most family-friendly travel destination for 2025. The island nation achieved an impressive score for its education system, 0.7 out of 1.0, and low annual childcare cost of $354.60 per year compared to $16,439.4 in the US, which ranked 10 in the world. Sweden ranked second and Norway ranked third in this list respectively.
New plans for Mattala. According to Ports and Aviation Minister Bimal Ratnayaka, Sri Lanka is planning to set up an aircraft repair centre at Mattala International Airport. He further stated in Parliament that the cost to build the Mattala International Airport was 38.5 billion rupees and the loss incurred over the past 5 years has come up to 38.5 billion rupees.
Authorities are discussing with big international engineering companies whether they can set up an aircraft repair centre. Sri Lanka had earlier called for foreign companies to set up an aircraft maintenance and repair organisation at Mattala. A Russian and Indian consortium was selected to set up an MRO, but the final contracts were not signed.
The significance of the shipping and logistics sector in driving economic growth and trade efficiency between Sri Lanka and Viet Nam was discussed at a forum held recently. EDB Chairman Mangala Vijayasinghe said it's important to strengthen the bilateral partnership between the sectors of the two countries to enhance trade efficiency and supply chain networks.
Ambassador of Sri Lanka to Vietnam, Poshita Pereira, stated there was potential for mutual growth between Sri Lanka and Vietnam through improved connectivity and infrastructure development. Further, presentations by experts from Sri Lanka and Vietnam followed, providing insights into locational advantage, investment opportunities, operational best practices, and industry collaborations. The experts include Deputy Director of BOI Sudat Jayasekara, the Head of Commercial of Haley's Advantage Free Zone Limited Rajiv Fernando, the company's Director of GAC Group in Logistics Naveen Pereira, and the Head of Logistics Services Department of the Vietnam Logistics Business Association Pham Thi Lan Huong spoke on port development, supply chain integration, regulatory frameworks, and investment opportunities, setting the stage for future collaborations and business partnerships.
And now, time for the corporate highlight.
The FTSE Frontier 50 Index is a list of the largest and the most liquid companies from frontier markets, and Sri Lanka's diversified conglomerate LOLC Holdings has been included in this list with effect from 24th March. This is a testament to its strong financial performance, consistent market liquidity, and increasing investor confidence. It further solidifies the company's reputation as a dominant force in frontier and emerging markets, attracting the attention of international institutional investors. As one of Sri Lanka's most influential multinational corporations, LOLC has a diverse business portfolio spanning financial services, leisure, agriculture, and manufacturing. It operates across 26 countries in South and Southeast Asia, Central Asia, and Africa.
And here is Tharindu with the ESG update.
The frozen landscapes of the Arctic has always filled human beings with awe. However, the news and signals coming from the region over the last few months are worrying indeed. We saw the last month the temperature spiking to 36 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees Celsius above normal levels, which are worrying signs given the trend of climate change happening around us. This follows a year of concerning signs from the region, including intense wildfires and thawing permafrost pumping out planet heating pollution. The Arctic plays a vital role in global temperatures and weather systems. Its decline accelerates global warming, increases sea level rise, and helps to drive more extreme weather. And here's Megara with the international update of the week.
Intel has named a new chief executive. The chip-making giant attempts to recover from several bruising years as the one-time industry leader fell behind most of its rivals.
The news brings an end to a tumultuous period for the once iconic American semiconductor company that has shed billions in market value as it largely sits out the AI boom that has lifted the broader industry. Intel's board forced out Gelsinger late last year as confidence dwindled in his ability to turn around the company. Intel shares popped more than 14% after the struggling chipmaker named Lip-Bu Tan its new CEO, and Wall Street cheered the turnaround attempt.
And that's it for this week's LOLC Securities Weekly Market Roundup. No matter what investment decision you make it with the right intel. We will meet you in a brand new week.